Good morning, everyone. We're back out here on Lake Wateree again this morning, doing a little catfishing. Water temperature is down to 77 degrees. That fall starting to come in. Drop this water temperature down good. Already got the lines out and everything. Got some brim, some shad, some white perch and chicken. Got it all out today. We're fishing a new area. We tried a different area today. Trying to key in a little bit of that fall bite and whatnot. But y'all stay with me. Let's see if we put a few fish in the boat, hopefully, and everything. And I've seen some striper action this morning, so I want to serve a little striper action, white bass action. So that water temperature dropping, we're gonna be switching down and doing some striper fishing very, very soon. So y'all stay with me. Oh, there we go, folks. There we go. We got one on finally. Yeah, we got one finally on. The daggone wind today. Oh, what the hell? They just slow biting. They don't feel like much. Unless he just coming to the boat. Alright, little fella. Come back here, buddy. Woo! So yeah, he a little fella. Well, he broke ice, that's for sure. Broke ice. Little boy, little eater. Pretty healthy fish, but throw him back. Get back and grow up some, buddy. That was on a piece of shad. Got, I say, you can tell it is. The wind has gotten up very good. We got the drift sun up. We got one back here. Oh, we got a good one on this one, folks. Yeah. I have to turn around and look. This daggone thing was pinned over. We got us a good one here. Feels like a good one here, people. But this is, I believe this is on the brim. Man, they weren't hitting. I mean, we've been out here for a while. I mean, it's what, almost 2 hours. We finally just now getting our first fish. Crazy. Come on, baby. Uh-oh, coming to the boat, coming to the boat. Oh. You're gonna get that other planer, aren't you? You're gonna get that other planer. Did we get past it? Oh, I think we got past the other planer. A little bit better fish there. There we go. That's a little bit of fish there. We'll get a net on this one. Get a net on this one. Get in there, buddy. All right. Woo, there we go. Just playing around the way. Ooh, I was getting to wonder about today. I was like, damn. I knew the wind was supposed to blow a little bit, but not like this. Got the big 6-foot drift sock out the back. Bass Pro Shop 6-foot drift sock. And it's, I mean, I like to troll between 0.5, I run about 0.5, and this big old boat, 22-foot pontoon, big old sail in the water. That 6-foot thing's keeping this hold is perfect. All right, settle down, buddy. Yeah, that was on the brim head. Hey. I'm gonna put you back. I'm gonna put you back. Settle your nerves. Get the hook out your mouth. Ow! Don't put the hook back in me. Come here. I caught it right in the... Damn circle hooks are good, too. Boy, right in the corner of the mouth. Ah, there it goes, finally. All right. All right, well, just chill. My goodness. There we go, right there. Pretty little fish. Nice fish. Stepping it up a little bit. Put him back in the water alive. All right, that's 2 back to back. I was beginning to wonder, I swear. I was questioning myself today. I was like, damn. I'll put these Back out here. And yes, I'm still trying to get over whatever the hell I caught. My God. I mean, this stuff is holding on like I don't know what. It's crazy. All right. Back there. Brim head's still here. Let's get this one back adjusted. Rehook it again. Right through the eyeball. All right. Boosh. All right. We'll get another piece of bait. Piece of bait for this other one here. Go, folks, right here. We're on it. We're on it again. Oh. Oh, this will feel like a good one here. He is doing some pulling. There we go. Now he wants to run to the boat. Just running right to the boat. Keep that pressure on him. Oh, now you want to pull? All right. Oh, yeah, that pretty one there, folks. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a pretty one, people. That's a pretty one right there. Come on through. Come on through. Come here, big boy. Come here, big boy. Come here. Come here, big daddy. There you go. Yes, sir. That's how you do it. Oh, gracious, have mercy. Woo! What the hell is this one? I got one over here. I got one over here. I got one over here too. I look over, this damn planer board's up underneath the boat. He done took it and ran up underneath the damn boat with it. Oh God, I got one over here, people. They ran and turned. I'm gonna go look at the damn boat. Look at the back. He just took the planer board. Oh. He just took the damn planer board. It was up underneath the damn boat with it. Goodness gracious. I got another one in the net. Oh, all right, hold on. Let me get you back, boy. Let me get you. I'll get you. Hold on. Goodness gracious. I'll just get this one. I might be able to pull this one in the boat. He's a decent one. All right. Let's see. Ouch. That hurt. Well, he'll come out when I try to pull him up. Ah, shit. Oh, well. Woo. Well, at least he's finally starting to bite now. My goodness. God forbid. I don't think the moon being up, because the moon's setting. Moon has a lot to do with fish biting. If that moon ain't set, they don't. I'm a firm believer, man. You want to fish on with that moon set. That moon probably, because it was being up last night, probably hadn't set all the way. Now it's finally set, and they're starting to pick up and bite, which is fine with me. All right, big daddy, get you out of here. Get you out of here. Oh, hey, calm your butt, buddy. Goodness gracious. Damn you fool, come on. Just trying to show everybody. Look at that bad boy there, people. Look at that one. Heck yeah. That big old boy. Yes, sir. The other one wasn't this big. It was probably like a little bit bigger than the last one I caught. But yeah, big old boy here. Nice, pretty fish. Let's get him back in that water alive. Hey, you settle. Let go of the pond. Let go. Thank you. Woo. Yes, sir. Woo. Got one and got one right up to the boat. I'm trying to start carrying 2 nets. My goodness. That was crazy. Yeah, that's how I get that one and I look back and I see the line just, I'm like, what the hell? He said, took it and ran to the boat up underneath everything. Good God Almighty. Whew. Man, oh man, oh man. Yes, sir. Awesome. And let's see. This one over here that came off was on the perch. And let's see. That was also on perch. Both of these came on perch. Or did he brim? No, it came off a brim. That was on a brim fillet. This one was on a perch fillet. Dang, go on. All right. Hey, have a nice day. Got the board all jacked up and everything. How come? Got my board all jacked up. Got my line inside my split. There we go. Get that back out. There we go. Man. Oh, right, he did. There's that one. That was crazy. Last week we did almost the same thing. Had a nice double going on. Not like that, but that one just, I mean, I come back, looked, I see the line, it's underneath the damn boat. I'm like, hold on, planer boards underneath the water on the boat. I'm like, what the hell? Crazy. And that was on one of them new planers I made. Holding up still, doing good. I'm happy with them. Up we go. On you, folks. If you can't catch a fish, break out some crackers. That happens every time. For the Lord. Broke out them damn crackers. On my third one, boom. Oh, little fella. Little fella. I was on the chicken. He wanted a piece of chicken. Alright, let you go. Nice, pretty, healthy blue. Oh, man, damn fool. Not healthy little blue. Put him back. Grow up, little buddy. Alright, let's get your grandpa on the line. Your fat uncle. One of them. I don't care. Alright, getting a piece of chicken. Oh, there we go with the big one. Oh, there we go. There we go, folks, right here. Catch up to him there a little bit. There he comes. I love eater. Hey, settle your nerves. Settle. I need you all. That was on that brim head. Long, skinny fish. That's not the big uncle or daddy I want. Sit down, eating that crackers. I got one more cracker done. Boom, another fish. Tell you, crackers must be the ticket. Yes, sir. Boom. There we go, folks. Oh, yeah, right left back cleaner. Yes, sir. That was another eater. Those little small ones over here for some reason. My goodness. Pretty one. All right. Goodness gracious, get up. Get on. Thank you. I mean, another pretty one, folks. Nice, pretty little eater fish, but not what we want. I mean, we'll take him and all, man. I mean, but we want something big. Back grow up again. Grow up some more, baby. Woo! The wind keeps shifting on me. Blowing like this, then it started blowing like this, now I'm blowing like this. I'm like, damn. Trying to get past this point. Once I get past this point, I'm fine. So I'm trying to slowly crush the boat over a little bit. Oh, I thought we had one on that one. Something hit it. Something hit that one right before it hit this one. Damn. Thought I had it. Get out of there. God. Alright. Got my head look. Alright, you can figure on everything. Got my head look. Alright, get on. That was a big brimhead this morning. We still catching fish on us. We're gonna keep it on going. We'll keep on putting it out. See what happens. Oh, there it is, right there. There it is. There we go, folks. He was down deep. Hey, settle down. Another little eater. Another little eater, people. He was down deep. I mean, 30-something foot of water. Oh, there we go. There we go, folks. We've been dragging. I mean, doing a long drag. We've been doing a long drag. All the way across the channel into this deep old water. Had a few bites and we ain't picked this the first fish. He ain't even that damn big. Come out of that deep water. Like I said, we're in like 32 foot of water right here. Yeah. That was on a piece of brim. Yeah, we've been trapping, we've been running down to this channel. Come off, and I've been way up there. Come all the way through this channel. We're coming up in now. I think we're coming back up to 27 foot now. And we've had a few bites, marking some fish, but nothing. This is the first one. I mean, we've been a long drift. That's the first one. He ain't even big one. But we'll take him. My God, it's been a minute. I almost forgot what it's like to catch fish. All right, I'm getting a piece of brim. Throw back out there on this one. All right. Finally, I'm about to sit in the chair and fall asleep. All right, everybody. I got everything put up, cleaned up. I'm gonna get out of here. Wind blowing like 90 miles an hour. We didn't lay this long drag across, I mean, forever and a day. Picked up one fish, so started out slow. They started biting there about 10 o'clock or so. They started biting. It was like 9:30, 10 o'clock. They bit pretty good, and then now they just shut down. So I'm gonna get out of here. Again, I hope you enjoyed today's show. Any questions, just let me know. I'll get back to everything I'm doing. Again, subscribe, help the channel out. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed.